project. Thought I hit the record button, so I stopped to check. I'm glad I did. I'm finna put this heating element in right here. Got it from Amazon. Got the tray out the way. It goes in. This one here is bad. I'm gonna replace that one. I got a Frigidaire Dishwasher, stainless steel. I've already taken this one screw out. It goes up here. Got to get this screw out. And then the other screws, I got to take loose down there at the bottom. So yeah, I got to get this bad body down there to do that. Alright, since I'm using this by myself, I'm going to stop for a minute. I'll come back and show you some more stuff later. I'm in my garage because I want to show you another important project. You got the task you need to do before you start a project like this. This is my circuit breaker, number 16. See, as you see, I've been labeling, got things labeled, got them correctly labeled, so I know what to shut off when I want to do stuff. Anytime you're working with electrical in your house, hit that breaker, turn stuff off, so you don't get electrocuted out. Now I'm going to slide it out and turn it upside down so it just fits in right there. Alright. Alright, I had to take my wire cutters. I had to crimp my ends. Okay? So I can put these on. And so it can fit on these tips. See? Alright. After I crimp it on, I'll show you that. Make sure you remember to screw these back in. See, they go in right here. And they screw in on the ends. I'm trying to do it with one hand, hold this camera. But they screw in right here. Okay. See, they help keep that from sliding. Your element from sliding. See, they got this side here tight enough. Uh-oh. Maybe too tight. Let me stop before I break it completely. All right, see, they're on there. All right, got it back in. Now it's time to put the screws back on it. right, guys, that's it. All I gotta do now is just go turn the breaker back on, and I'm done. All right, to complete this job, let me turn the breaker back on. All right, the breaker's back on. Let's go check. As you can see, we got power. And she's ready.